So today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my empties. I have a lot of things that I use in the shower, some makeup and skincare too. Go ahead and get started. First thing I used up is this from Bath and Body Works, is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint Luxury Bath. Basically I just run the water and I just put some of this, and oh my god, it's scent is super relaxing. Some of you may have seen my Bath and Body Works haul when they had the sale, and I bought like 4 of these. I'm using another one right now. I don't feel like it lasts a lot because I put a lot, and this, like, if you don't get it on sale, it's like $17. So personally, like, if it's not on sale, I would not purchase it, just because I do use a lot. And like in one use I'll use like up to here or something. That's just me. It's just a really nice relaxing scent, and it leaves your skin feeling really nice and soft. I have something else from Bath and Body Works because I use a lot of Bath and Body Works. This is the Bath and Body Works shower gel, and this one is in Winter Berry Wonder, Winterberry, Ruby Apple, Sparkling Cranberry, Camellia Blossom, Crystal, Vanilla. I'm trying to use like all my winter ones up. We're almost gonna be in spring. I usually like to use like 2 at a time because I don't know, I don't want the same scent every day. So this is the other one that I was using, and this is Bath and Body Works Raspberry Sugar Shea and Vitamin E Shower Gel, and this one is sugared raspberries, plum blossom, winter white lily. Still have like, that's like another use, but I just wanted to show you. Let me know if you're obsessed with like their shower gels just as me. Other item that I have is this toothpaste. This is by Parodontics, I think it's called. I like to use this brand and also Sensodyne. It's just like if you have sensitive teeth, sensitivity in the gums, helps prevent like bleeding. I don't like to use this a lot though. I prefer the Sensodyne. I did see that when I was using this like daily, I was getting sensitive. I don't know if I'll be repurchasing this for now. Right, then I have this moisturizer, which is also a primer, and it's by Purlisse. I do have another one ready to be used. Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. This is oil free and it's primes the skin for makeup. You guys have seen that I use this in a lot of my tutorials. One product for 2 steps, moisturizing and priming. I really like it. It never broke me out. It has white tea, vitamin E, French marine plants. I have tried maybe 2 things from this brand and I really like it. It's just really pricey, so I don't know if I would be able to like repurchase it again. I just got it like in an Ipsy glam bag, and that's how I got to try it. There's skincare item here, and this was just a sample, but this is an oil. I love to put oils in the nighttime before I go to sleep. Usually the oils, I would put it like around the chest or the neck, and also like in my forehead for like fine lines and stuff. In this area, I don't really like to put oils. I'm just scared I'm gonna break out. Flora Plus Bast. Get this at Sephora. I like to redeem my points usually for skincare, or if they have like a promo code that you could enter. I always like to look for skincare because these are like really pricey brands. Like if you look for the full size, it's pretty pricey, but I really like this. There's only some that I would really like consider buying again. This one was good, but I don't think I would like buy the full size. I have another one of my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation Mattifying Second Skin Effect. You guys know this is my favorite foundation from the drugstore. I think I will always repurchase it. It is what I have on today. I just love it so much. I have nothing bad to say about it. The only thing is that if you're sensitive to scents, this is scented. It smells like powder, like baby powder or something, but that doesn't bother me. It retails maybe for like under $10. You can get it at Ulta, Amazon. It's really good, and I use this in the color 010 Light Beige. Just love it. I already have my backup ready, and I want to buy another one just in case. Is a must. I have a review if you want to see it. Just type in my channel Catrice, you will find the review and demo. So my perfect shade out of all my foundations. I have this item here, Real Telescopic Mascara. I do have backups of these. I'm just so bad like getting like new mascaras, I like use them and use them and use them, and then I wonder why like there's nothing else coming out, and it's like, okay, it's time to open a new one. I favorite from L'Oreal, Maybelline, I do have like several that I go back and forth with, like the new one, the Falsies Lash Lift. I love all the ones from the Falsies line, but this one from L'Oreal is the best ever. I did put it on today, but of course I popped on these lashes so you can't see, but I also have a review on this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is the waterproof version. Don't like how the packaging turns after a while, but I really don't care. Letting you know this is not how it usually looks. Beat up because it's like in my makeup bag with all the other products, but it's amazing. Oh, and I have something else to mention here. This, I think I've put this in my empties before, but this is something I will always repurchase. This is the milkshake leave-in conditioner with milk proteins, honey, and fruit extracts. This is what I use when I come out of the shower. This is my leave-in conditioner. Without this, there's no way I can detangle my hair, and I use like really rich and moisturizing conditioner, so I need something like this, and it smells amazing. Love how it leaves my hair. It's a must. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.